Where is information technology commonly used? Traffic management. IT systems control traffic lights, monitor road conditions, and manage congestion through real-time data. Navigation. GPS technology helps drivers and pilots find the best routes and avoid traffic jams or bad weather. Public transport. Apps and websites provide schedules, route planning, and real-time updates for buses, trains, and flights. Point of sale, POS. Systems. Stores use POS systems to manage sales transactions, track inventory, and handle payments. Customer Relationship Management, CRM. IT systems help retailers understand customer preferences and tailor marketing efforts accordingly. Online shopping. E-commerce platforms allow customers to shop online, compare prices, and read reviews. Automation. Robots and automated systems handle repetitive tasks, increasing efficiency and reducing errors. Supply chain. Management. IT systems track materials and products from suppliers to customers, ensuring timely delivery and reducing costs. Quality control. Sensors and software monitor production processes to maintain high quality and detect defects early. Precision farming. IT tools like drones, sensors, and GPS technology help farmers monitor crops, manage resources, and increase yields. Data analysis. Farmers use data to make informed decisions about planting, irrigation, and harvesting. Market access. Online platforms connect farmers with buyers, helping them get better prices and reduce waste. Smart grids. IT systems optimize the distribution of electricity, balancing supply and demand in real time. Renewable energy. IT manages the integration of renewable energy sources like solar and wind into the power grid. Energy management. Smart meters and energy management systems help consumers track and reduce their energy usage. Property management. Software helps manage rental properties, handle maintenance requests, and process payments. Virtual tours. Real estate websites use IT to offer virtual tours of properties, making it easier for buyers and renters to explore options remotely. Market analysis. Data analytics tools help real estate professionals understand market trends and make informed investment decisions. Case management. Law firms use IT systems to organize case files, manage schedules, and track deadlines. Research. Legal professionals use online databases to research laws, precedents, and case histories. E-filing. Courts and legal institutions use IT for electronic filing of documents, making the legal process more efficient. Data analysis. Researchers use IT tools to analyze large datasets, uncover patterns, and draw conclusions. Simulation and modeling. IT allows scientists to create simulations and models to study complex systems and predict outcomes. Collaboration. Online platforms enable researchers to collaborate with colleagues around the world, sharing data and findings. Booking systems. Hotels, airlines, and travel agencies use IT to manage reservations, process payments, and offer personalized services. Customer service. Chatbots and automated systems provide 24/7 customer support and handle common inquiries. Experience enhancement. Mobile apps and websites offer information about local attractions, dining options, and events. Project management. IT systems help manage construction projects, track progress, and ensure timely completion. Building information modeling, BEM. BEM software creates digital representations of buildings, improving planning and coordination. Safety monitoring. IT tools monitor construction sites for safety compliance and detect potential hazards. Data management. Companies use IT systems to store, organize, and analyze data. For example, Customer databases help track buying habits and preferences. Communication, email, instant messaging, and video conferencing tools like Zoom and Microsoft Teams help employees communicate efficiently. E-commerce. Online shopping platforms like Amazon use IT to manage orders, payments, and inventory. Online learning. Platforms like Google Classroom and Coursera allow students to take classes and complete assignments online. Interactive learning. Smartboards and educational apps make learning interactive and engaging. Students can watch educational videos or play learning games. Administration. Schools use IT for managing student records, schedules, and grades, making the administration process smoother. Electronic health records, EHRs. Doctors and nurses use computers to access and update patient records quickly, improving the accuracy of medical histories. Telemedicine. Patients can consult doctors remotely through video calls, which is especially useful in remote areas. Medical equipment. Advanced machines like MRI scanners and robotic surgery tools rely heavily on IT to function. Email. Services like Gmail and Outlook enable fast and efficient communication worldwide. Social media. Platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram help people share updates, photos, and messages with friends and family.